I just want you guys to know that just because a big beauty influencer creates a makeup line, it doesn't mean it's going to be amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very first unboxing, Boxycharm unboxing. It's my first time signing up and getting a box, which looks like this. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what the box looks like, and let me open my box up really quick so you guys can see what is in here, an overview. Obviously I am wearing the lashes. That just fell, but it's okay. Now it comes with a little pamphlet and it has all the information. I guess the theme for this box is Life of the Party, and it has the pricing and name of everything that comes in here. On the back you do have a coupon code for Laura Lee Los Angeles and Smashbox. So let's get right into the box on the products that I got. I'm going to start off by saying that there was 2 products in here that didn't work out, and there was a specific product that I will literally not recommend to you guys whatsoever, and I'm actually glad I bought this box and not bought the individual product because I was going to. Starting off, the first product I pulled out is a Bang Beauty cream eyeliner, and it retails for $22. It's a chocolate eyeliner. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate. I don't know what their description of creamy is because this is like dry. Like I don't know if I got a bad one or what. It retails for $22. That is bananas. I would not recommend this one. This is one of the ones that didn't work out. I put it on as an eyeliner because I did watch previous videos and a lot of people were saying it didn't work for them. I was like, oh, maybe they got a bad one and I got a good one. Just my luck, you know. But I put it on my bare skin as an eyeliner, and it wasn't like the worst, but as soon as I went like this, like everything came off, like the whole eyeliner. I just don't recommend this one. This is one of the ones I didn't like. Now I was so excited to get the House of Lashes and I got the Style Siren Mini. I actually really like them. I have been wanting to try House of Lashes for a while, and I'm glad I got like a simple style and like a small one rather than a super like long one or something like that, because I personally am into this type of style. But nonetheless, they're super comfortable compared to other mink lashes I've tried. These are like super comfortable and they look very nice. It's definitely toned down like an everyday lash, which is what I like. I know my eyes look crazy, but it's okay. So these definitely I will be trying more out because I actually did really like them. Now this product is the Adesi New York Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment, and it literally says it's a nail treatment. I don't mind this product. I don't really care for nail products, but this is a cuticle oil, so I'm actually excited. On here it says sweet almond cuticle oil, retails for $18. I've never really dabbled into like nail care because I usually get acrylics. If not, my nails are just free. But yeah, I'm excited to try it. Next, I got the Smashbox. I was so excited I got a liquid lipstick because I was seeing people were getting like regular lipsticks and like glosses. I mean, I don't mind getting glosses now that I really am into glosses, but they were like colored glosses. And I was like, I hope I get a liquid lipstick, and I did. I got the Smashbox liquid lipstick, always on liquid lipstick, and I actually really like these. I have one, like a coral one. Now this color I wouldn't say is like my favorite, but I would definitely, like, I already thought of a look that I want to do in fall using this liquid lipstick. It looks more gray in person, I would say, rather than like it's like a brownish taupey. It's definitely a cool tone liquid lipstick, which I'm totally fine with. I feel like it doesn't look bad with this look, but yeah, I'm excited. I'm so happy I got this one, and these retail for $21 to $24 because it's like an assorted lip products. Next, we have 3 face masks, and they're all the same. Where's it at? It's the Wander Baggage. Oh, it's an eye mask. Claim Gold eye mask. These retail for $13. I don't know if like the pack of 3 or individually. Now, this is the only thing I didn't try on in like the demo part because I had already applied my primer, my face primer, and then I started doing my eyes. I will definitely try this out like when I'm relaxing and not like in a rush doing a video, you know. So I rather, you know, really try it out, and I'll let you guys know in my monthly favorites how I feel about them. Now, last but not least, obviously you guys haven't heard me talk about any other negative product. The Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. Guys, that this palette is complete and utter trash. And you guys know I am not one to sugarcoat anything. Not, you know, I'm not one to like talk about stuff badly just because. I'm completely honest, and I always and only speak on my experiences with products, and you will clearly be able to see in this video, in the demo part, that this palette just, I'm not a fan of it. I'm glad I got the Boxycharm box to try this palette out because I was going to buy it individually, and if I would have paid like individual money for this palette, I would have been so salty because it's not a good palette. These 2 looks is what I could come up with. I used all 6 shadows. All 6 eyeshadows, I used them for the look. On this eye, I clearly used the pink and the orange, and I did use this lime green color, even though you can't see it. Like, you can't see it. And then on this eye, I did use these blue purple colors. This is the worst purple eyeshadow I have ever tried in my life because it is a hot mess. Usually I've never had to experience like a shimmery, like satiny color to have so much fallout and kickback. It's crazy. And also, like, if you do not apply this eyeshadow wet, you will not get any of like that pretty sheen on it. You will just get like this kind of like muddy purple, kind of looks matte color, which is totally not the color that it is. I will show you guys right here. You guys see that? Not meaning to flip you off, but do you guys see the sheen on that color? There is no sheen on my eye, like whatsoever. It's just like a little wash of a muddled purple color. Now, the rest of the eyeshadows are not the best either. Like the lime green color that I applied, literally as you are blending it, like you are literally blending it away into nothing. And the orange, same thing with the orange. There's like a hint of orange, and it's more so the hot pink color that brought it out. But if you continue to blend this eyeshadow, any of these eyeshadows, they will blend out to like nothing, like a wash, a dirty wash of color, which I am personally not a fan of. I was excited to try this palette because I was like, oh, let me give her brand a try, and you know, maybe I want to try out more of her products. Like some of these, to the touch, they have pigment, but remember that just because something's pigmented doesn't mean it's gonna work well on the eyes, doesn't mean that it's gonna be pigmented on the eyes. And this is no hate towards Laura Lee. This is not me, you know, trashing her or anything like that. I'm not even trashing her company, but I'm just saying my experience with this palette is that it sucks ass. Plain and simple. I don't like it. I wouldn't recommend you waste your money because that's all you will be doing. Now, if you want to give it a try for yourself, always remember that I always tell you guys, this is my experiences with the products, and if you want to try a product, feel free to do so. I just give you guys my reviews and my honest opinions on products. I'm not here to sugarcoat or, you know, any stuff like that. Now, this purple color is a BITCH. I had to put that color in my lower lash line because no matter how much like cleaning up I tried to do, it was like down on my lower lash line like crazy. Even after I cleaned it up, even after I applied concealer, after foundation, it's just a hot ass mess. I don't recommend this palette. Now, Boxycharm as a whole, I'm definitely going to give them another try for the next month, as there was only 2 products that I didn't like. And I don't feel like technically it's like their fault that that product is crap. Because, I don't know if they test out the products before they send them out. I don't know. But I'm definitely going to try out next month's box, and I will give you guys an update if I will continue to, you know, get the Boxycharm boxes. And with that being said, let's get on to the demo so you guys can see how everything, most of everything actually performs, specifically the eye stuff and, you know, the lashes, liquid lipstick. So yeah, keep on watching. Let's start right off with the tutorial. I'm going to take that lime green color and I'm going to start by just blending it all over the lid, the crease, and just blending it upward. As you can see, I wasn't really feeling the color, so I decided to go into the orange, and as I started, as you can see, blending the color, it just, the green started disappearing and just like going away, blending away. Which, I mean, honestly is not cool. Now, using the pink shade to apply on the lid and blend a little bit upward, it had a lot of fallout, really wasn't feeling it, so I decided to try the other 3 colors on the other eye, because I thought maybe the blues would be better, but clearly you can see here, that's a really ugly blue. Especially the way it was blending out. Like, I was really trying my hardest to blend these blues out as best as I possibly could, and I just kept blending and blending and blending, and they just look patchy. Now here's where the rough part comes in. You ready? There you go. You can even see my face. I was so shook, but in a bad way actually. And I was like, okay, let's just keep going. I continue to blend this shade, which it blend into the ugliest, like, ugliest purple pink shade with all the fallout around it. I just was not feeling any of these eyeshadows at this point. But I decided to give the purple another try and apply it with my finger, which, as you can see, the color goes on super pigmented. But again, once you start blending it, it blends to that ugly color again, and that really pretty sheen goes away. I thought I would do the same thing with the pink. As you can see, it is more pigmented, and I was actually excited. And then I blended again, and it blended away. You can clearly tell right here that I'm just over this look, and I decided to move on and just pop on the lashes. I decided to use my favorite Duo lash glue and pop these bad boys on. Then I moved on to liquid lipstick, which, like I told you guys, I was super excited to get the liquid lipstick in this month's Boxycharm. I personally really like the formula of the Smashbox liquid lipsticks. I feel like it's super light, but it never feels super drying on the lips. It's actually very comfortable, and I actually did like this color. And that completes this video. Let me know what you guys thought after watching the demo. Please let me know what you guys thought of this palette. If you would actually spend your hard-earned money, even if it's $19. $19 is $19. They can buy me other things elsewhere. And I don't know. I'm actually very disappointed. I was actually looking forward to like really liking this palette and actually trying it. The whole reason I signed up to Boxycharm was to get this palette, and I'm pretty disappointed, but it is what it is. You know, some products work out good, some products don't. Just remember, I did not bash Laura Lee, and I am not telling you guys to go bash her, anything like that. This is strictly my experience with this product. If I didn't show you guys the name and I just told you guys this product sucked, I would still think this product sucks. It doesn't, in my opinion. And that's my experience with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!